Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying system compatibility and securing your project data. Check that your Mac OS version meets Logic Pro's minimum. Once done, backup active projects and the library to Time Machine or an external drive. Make sure you close Logic Pro and any audio apps and free 5 to 10 gigabytes to avoid installer errors. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi or, better, Ethernet. Now open the App Store or Launchpad updates so you can start the actual update process. You'll now download and install the update. Open the App Store Updates tab or choose Logic Pro Check for updates. Start the download and watch for paused transfers. Make sure background apps aren't hogging bandwidth or disk I/O. When the installer runs, grant any permission prompts and authenticate with your admin password. Allow the installer to complete fully. Large content packs will extract after install, which takes extra time. Once complete, restart your Mac, if prompted so system extensions and audio drivers activate. You finish by validating the update and addressing any jarring behavior. Open Logic Pro and confirm the version number in About. Then load representative projects to test audio, MIDI, and third-party plugins. Reauthorize any plugins and update sample libraries if assets were moved. If you encounter crashes, try resetting Logic preferences and audio device settings, and then relaunch. If problems persist, reinstall the app from the App Store and restore your backed up project folder. One troubleshooting tip: reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.